just the sentiment is definitely a really big thing in the markets, and I'm just noticing the sentiment around the actual stock market still is not very bullish right now, and tops generally don't form in bullishness. We saw this happen in crypto, and we also saw this happen in silver and gold as well too, before we had that shock flash crash in the silver and gold there. But initially, that's where I was saying with silver and gold, I expect to see at least a bit of a correction, and that's what we got. And I did quite well from that. I shorted silver and did quite well from that. But that's the only reason why I was doing that as well too. I was looking at the long term. I was just looking at the overall sentiment of that as well too. So if we look at the actual sentiment of all these markets, and the sentiment of where things are going, that's a big barometer of where we're at in the markets. The reason why Bitcoin topped around 123,000 is, if you remember, there was a huge amount of noise back then. And even my ex-wife, around the 120,000, even my ex-wife, who has nothing to do with the actual financial markets, when I was dropping off the kids or picking up the kids, even she was like, maybe I should get in the crypto market. I'm just like, oh my goodness. So, and I just saw so many things happening around the crypto markets. People that are just not in crypto markets started to talk about the crypto market and how it's going to go to the moon and so on and so forth.